Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm finally back with another video. I've been kind of occupied and on vacation and whatnot, so I really wanted to make this video as soon as I got the box. So let's crack this new Munchpak open and see what's in there. Hopefully it's a lot of good stuff. Last video I had a referral, and so I wanted to thank whoever purchased of Munchpaks. I was able to get a discount on this one thanks to the referral. So if it's one of your viewers, I really appreciate it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is the July 2019 Munchpak edition. Let's see here. Alright, so the first one we have is Doritos Jacked Boston Garlic Shrimp. Alright, now this one is from Taiwan. So let's taste this one and see what it's like. Immediately as you open the package, you get a whole lot of shrimp smell. Let's see. It's actually not bad. When you bite into it, it tastes like a regular Dorito. There's only a slight bit of shrimp in there, and you get a little bit of spice. That could be the garlic flavor, I guess. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I highly doubt that they sell this here in the US, but I'd probably try it if I had another chance. Alright, let's keep it going. Next, we have Old School Cornflake Chewy. There we go. Now, this is from the USA, obviously, and it's a creamy peanut butter chewy made from cornflakes. Cool. Let's show you the consistency of this. It's actually really, really thick. Look at that. See how soft this is. Holy moly, that's really soft. It's quite tasty, as a matter of fact. I like it. It literally tastes just like what I described, peanut butter and cornflakes. It's not bad at all. Alright, see what else we got. What is this? Crostatina Faro cookies with lemon cream filling. Appears to be Italian. Let me just make sure. My fancy little pamphlet that they provided.
2 hours later.
It could be like an extra one. Okay, cool. Oh, here it is. First item on the first page, and I looked all over. Look at that, right there. So I was right, it is from Italy. Alright, let's try this tart out and see how it is. Wow, that's actually a good looking tart. Let's see. Oh, breaks apart really nicely. Here's the there you go. Now that's good. So you taste a little bit of that crunchy pastry, and then and the lemon comes in. It's really good. I highly recommend it. All right. Next, What is this? Teriyaki burger flavor. Or is this a, it's like a corn snack, it looks like. It's from Japan. So, here's what it looks like. Pretty good. It's not bad. It tastes like a corn snack with a bit of paprika on top. It's not bad at all. Alright, what do we want to open up next? You know what? This has been staring at me. There you go. It says Pillows Oob-filled crackers, or ube. Yep, it says pronounced ube. Is a popular Filipino root vegetable similar to yams with a delicately sweet flavor. It's vanilla blended with nuttiness of pistachios. Alright, so let's try this ube pillow. There it is. So, in case you're wondering, this is what it looks like. Check that out. There's the inside. Okay. Not bad. It's a very unique flavor. I like it. Alright, so next, you know what? Let's go and try out this, it's like a roll-up here. Figure out where it's from. This is a Fritzy Extreme Z Blue Raspberry Flavor Fruit Candy from Thailand. So let's check that out. Okay, so just like a roll up right there. There you go. Let's try a piece of this. They've definitely got a, well, sour taste to it. It's not bad. Not bad at all. While we're on the subject, let's try these Superpower Straws. See where these are from. These are from the Netherlands, and they're mango flavored. Check that out. Okay. They look kind of good. Oh man, I can smell the mango already. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Ooh. I like this. So, you can definitely taste the sour as you bite in. Whoa. As you can see, I'm squinting. But it's got quite a bit of mango flavor, and I like that. That's a really good combination. All right, so next we have Swizzles Refresher Strawberry Flavor. Judging by the spelling, because you know flavor is spelled with an OU, could be from England. I don't know. Let's find out. And I was right. It's from the UK. These iconic chew bars were invented when the secret of adding fizz was discovered. This flavor comes with a sweet and fizzy strawberry sherbet center. Look at that. Boom. Let's check this out. Check that out. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's try this. That's really... not bad. All right, next we have Cookie Petit Cocoa, and let's find out what this is all about. These are from Japan, so let's see what this tastes like. It tastes kind of like almost like an Oreo, like a tiny little Oreo with the cream filling. Not bad. All right, now let's wrap this one up. Last but not least, we have Lottie Concho from South Korea. There you go. Looks like little biscuits with chocolate in it. So let's see, what does it say? These tasty chocolate-filled biscuits are sure to put a smile on your face. Here's a fun fact. Speaking of smiles, did you know that rooftops in Korea are curved at the ends, giving the appearance of a smile? I had no idea. That's awesome. So let's see. So there it is. Let's try another one so I can show you guys what it looks like on the inside. There you go. Chocolate filling. Pretty good. So a lot of snacks this month that are really, really good. You know, I'm still getting used to this whole format with the, you know, with the pamphlet, and I'm actually finding out that this is really helpful. It gives you kind of an insight as to, you know, what these snacks contain, where they're from, you know, what you can expect. So I'm definitely gonna continue getting these Munchpaks, as I've said many times before, and hopefully, you know, I'll end up doing more videos, not just Munchpak. You know, I'm working on a few right now, but you know, I've got to find the time to do it. Being in the summer, you know, I'm kind of like a person likes to be outside, and you know, I like to do things outside of work and home. So that's probably why I haven't seen many videos. But you know, I want to keep this thing going, and I look forward to making a few more videos. Having said all that, this is it for this video. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next one.